Hello, my dears. Today we can discuss a new topic, the terms of credit. In the previous session, we discussed the two different credit situations, and from there, we learned already the positive and negative effects of loans or credit. All of you know that every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. That means along with the repayment of what money he borrowed from the lender, along with that a special interest rate also he want or she want to pay to the lender. More than this, the lenders also demand collateral. So what do you mean by collateral? Or they demand collateral means a security against their loans. So what is collateral or what do you mean by collateral? We can study it in detail. Collateral means it is an asset, means a property that the borrower owns. Example, the land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with the banks, etc. And this uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. So lender demanded collateral to the borrower as a guarantee for what? Until the loan is repaid. So what is collateral? Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns and it is used as a guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid. So why the lender demanding collateral means here if the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the asset or collateral to obtain payment. You clear now? Other than the interest, the lender also demanding collateral because if any chance the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender can use this asset to obtain his payment. You clear now? Then properties such as land titles, deposit with banks, livestock are some common examples of collateral. So underline this area, put in bracket and read it 2 or 3 times and study it very well. Then the terms of creditor we can discuss with here one example. You can see that a box, a house loan. This house loan, this box I am going to read for you. Mega has taken a loan of rupees 5 lakhs from the bank to purchase a house. No. So that means here the borrower is Mega, lender is bank. How much rupees Mega borrowed? 5 lakh rupees she borrowed. The annual interest rate on the loan is 12% and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years in monthly installments. So here, what is the interest? 12%. And the mode of repayment? Monthly installment. How many? So after within 10 years, she must repay the loan. And what are the documents Mega submit to the bank? She submitted the documents showing her employment records and salary before the bank agreed to give her the loan. The bank retained as collateral the papers of the new house. So for this 5 lakh rupees loan, bank demanded the papers of the new house as collateral. And these papers the bank will return to Mega only she repays the entire loan with the interest. You clear now? So here there is a column, fill in the following details of Mega's housing loan. That is your duty. You have to fill it after reading this or listening this. Then next, the terms of creditor in detail you can see here. So from the above example, you know that what are the terms of interest? Interest rate. Terms of creditor, interest rate. Next, collateral. The next one, documentation requirement. Another one is mode of repayment. All these we discussed in the above example. So what are the terms of credit? Interest rate, collateral, documentation requirement and the mode of repayment. Together we can call as what? The terms of credit. Underline these. The terms of credit were different from one credit arrangement to another. Here for the purpose of making a new house or purchasing a new house, Mega and a government employee, she took the loan. So here the terms of credit, here the collateral they demand the papers of the new house. Likewise, or in some other situation, the lender and borrower in other nature, these terms of credit also vary. So the terms of credit or the credit arrangement may vary depending on the nature of the lender and the borrower. And this we can study in detail in our next section. So dear students, you study very well what are the terms of credit, what do you mean by collateral. Thank you. Have a nice day.